You've been thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking about it. You've been thinking about starting your business, but you keep stopping yourself. You keep stopping yourself. You are the only person who's getting in your own way to starting the business. So today's videos are going to be about you starting your business. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your business. So if you're new to me, make sure you subscribe to that notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build your online business. So as I was saying, you are the one who's stopping yourself from starting that business. So you need to just get over it, get over your fears that you have. So does this sound familiar to you? I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. I have a business idea, but I don't know how to do it. I don't know where to start. I've been thinking about it, but I'm just procrastinating. I'm waiting to find the right time to do it. I'm waiting to get the right funding for my business. I'm waiting to just be ready to start the business. All those thoughts, all those stories you're telling yourself, they're holding you back from starting the business. So if that's you, you need to just start. There's never going to be any time when it's perfect time for you to start. You're never going to be 100% ready to start the business. You are never going to find the right, positioning for you to start the business. All you're doing, you're holding yourself back. You're stopping yourself from starting the business to getting what you want from that business because you're afraid, you're worried about what people are thinking about, or worried about what people will think about your business. You're worried about failing the business. You're just, getting in your own way. So sometimes you just have to start. It's like riding a bike, right? When you're learning how to ride a bike, you don't just like think about it of like, oh, I'm gonna be perfect about riding my bike. I'm gonna learn how to ride the bike without even getting onto the bike to learn it. So you have to jump on it. You have to jump on it and learn how to ride that bike. Not just think about it, not just study about it, not just knowing every feature about the bike, how it works, how it maneuvers, and all the stuff, right? All those things will come as you learn, as you actually ride the bike and really learn the bike, how to ride the bike, right? So don't worry about everything that you have to get ready or know about starting business before even starting it. Start now. You learn as you go. Like riding a bike, you learn as you ride the bike, right? And if you fall, it's okay. You just jump on back on it and keep on going, right? It's the same thing with business. If you fail, if you do something, you're learning from those mistakes. Now you know what not to do next time, right? And you just get back to on it again and try a different thing to see which works for you. You can't just hold yourself back because of all these failures, because of all wanting to be perfect time and all this stuff, right? You end up holding yourself back for a long, long time. I know you probably have been holding yourself for over a year. You've been thinking about this business idea that you have, but you haven't done anything about it because you keep getting your own way. Just that. If you had started that business a year ago, right now you'd be in a different place. You'd have learned so much about running a business. You'd have learned so much. You'd have come a long way. You'd have gone a long way. You would have been in a different position right now if you had just actually done it. You'd have learned a lot. But because you're holding yourself back, you're still sitting out there waiting for the perfect time, waiting for the perfect, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just start. I just wanted you to start the business. And if you need the help, reach out to people. Don't just wait and look, right? Reach out to people who can help you study the market, learn what you want to do, and just do it. You learn as you go. So just jump and do it. If you need any guidance, we're always here to help you with that, right? So let me know if you've been thinking about starting a business. What kind of business have you been thinking of, and what's been holding you back? And some of these things that I mentioned, some of the stuff which has been holding you back, it's time for you to start a business. I want you to commit to yourself. Put it down in the comment to say, I'm starting today. Say, I'm starting today. And write it down in the comment box. Let the whole world know because we want to hold you accountable for that. So it's time for you to start. No more holding yourself back, no more overthinking, no more planning, no more all this other stuff that you're doing that you think you need to do to get that business ready, right? Just start. Start. I always say start. Start small and see how it goes, right? start. So I hope you found this video useful and you like it. Make sure you leave a comment and like this video, and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and let someone else who has been thinking of starting a business know that they need to start today, and share this video with them. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.